is one of the most expensive fruits in the Southeast Asia. This fruit is very popular, but even though many people like it, there are some people who don't like it and will get nauseous when they smell it. In fact, everyone loves the economic value of durian cultivation. It makes many people want to know how is the process of large-scale durian farming. You can find out the answer in this video. Most durian-producing countries come from Southeast Asia. One of the Southeast Asian countries that produce many types of durian is Thailand. Therefore, at this opportunity, Technologia will show you to see the amazing durian plantation in Thailand. We certainly already know that durian fruit can be cultivated with seeds. However, to reduce the time, farmers will use the method of grafting. This method combines durian seeds from seeds and durian tree tongues from superior seeds. This will produce tree seedlings that are strong and bear fruit quickly. To start the durian fruit plantation process, farmers will clear the land using heavy equipment such as excavators. The goal is to organize and make access roads during harvesting in these hills. Farmers will also install pipe irrigation lines to make sprinkle or spray irrigation. After the hill land is ready for planting, the farmer will bring the tree seedlings to the fields. For planting, usually farmers will make small excavator holes. The tool will work to mix the soil with basic fertilizer. Then workers plant it in the hole. Good plants are plants that have a pH ranging from 6 to 7. The field should have sufficient rainfall, not too heavy and not too dry. Durian trees cannot tolerate water in the planting area. To anticipate excess water or flooding, durian fruit plantations are usually carried out on slopes or hills. There will be good irrigation in the dry season and ensure this durian plantation is protected from flooding during the rainy season. Mainstream durian fruit plantations have a considerable distance from one tree to another. This is done because the durian tree can grow large. Therefore, it requires a distance of several meters between one plant and another. That way, the tree can develop properly. Farmers who have small lands can use the triple tree planting method. This method can maximize the existing land. With this method, farmers can plant 333 trees in 1 hectare. 3 seeds will arrange in a triangular position. The distance between the trees is about 1 meter and the durian growth is 10 meters by 9 meters. Some of the advantages of this triple method are resistant to strong winds, so it can minimize the collapse. Branching will be more, so that higher natural pollination occurs. In addition, trees that are attacked by tree disease are also reduced. However, to providing basic fertilizer at the beginning of planting, durian trees will also be given fertilizer during the development process. Fertilizer is applied every 4 months to 3 years. Here is a 3-year-old tree. To protect against pests, farmers will spray pesticides twice a year. After the durian plant is about 3 to 4 years old, the tree will bear fruit for the first time. Durian flowers will grow on old stems or branches. The number of flowers on each petals is about 3 until 10 buds. The length of the petals is about 3 centimeters and is tubular. This flower will become fruits after the pollination process. Pollination of flowers can be assisted by bees and wine. However, to maximize the results, human assistance is needed if pollen viability conditions are low. The release of durian flower pollen occurs in the afternoon towards the sunset, until the sun goes down. This is the reason hand pollination is often done at night around 3:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pollination is done using pollen taken from flowers on different plants, both in one variety and from other varieties. If this pollination is successful, it will become a young durian fruit to produce good fruits. Farmers will cut small branches and fruit that is not healthy. It takes about 3 months for this durian to ripen. Durian is a very heavy fruit, even though the stalk is quite large. Farmers still have to tie it so that the durians doesn't fall and harm humans. Generally, a ripe durian will be yellow. However, people often harvest them before they are fully ripe for transportation to consumers. Each tree can produce 30 to 50 durian fruit. The process of harvesting durian fruit is done in groups for both large trees and small trees. To minimize damage to durian fruit pickers will work together to catch with burlap. After all these harvests have been collected, the durians will be distributed to to fruit shops and shipped to processing factory. So it will be processed, become durian fruit or durian fruit snakes.